Create mechanical, cosmetic, and service-specific inspections to build out estimates complete with parts and labor prices. Dollar thresholds for automatic approvals and multiple levels of approval means you control your costs and stay informed of work authorized. Assign technicians, vendors, and teams to execute the work. With clear repair plans, your technicians and vendors know what work needs to be done now, what work is on hold for parts or approvals, and what work is next in line. This keeps your vehicles moving at optimal speed and reduces idle time and lost opportunities. And since sometimes repairs don't go according to plan, you can adjust and reprioritize based on current conditions. Parts arrive early? No problem. When part status is updated, any repair that was on hold waiting is automatically updated to an active task, and technicians are alerted to commence the work. Repair360 ensures that your repair plans are always up to date and accessible to all stakeholders.